Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Insta360 Error Code 14. The error reads export failed. Error occurred when exporting. Error info failed to connect to all addresses. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to export videos using Insta360 Studio. Many shared that the export process fails and shows the error. According to our research, this error is most likely related to outdated software, VPN usage, firewall restrictions, or issues with hardware acceleration and file storage settings. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check if your device operating system is up to date. If not, update it and then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your Insta360 Studio is updated to the latest version. If not, update it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then make sure you are not using any VPN. If you are using one, then disable the VPN and then check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then try putting your device into airplane mode and see if the export works. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try updating your graphics card drivers. You can also change preferences and file storage location by going to Menu Preferences and adjusting hardware acceleration. Additionally, if you are editing files directly from your camera via cable, copy the files to your computer first and then import them into Studio. At last, if you still get the error, then try disabling your device firewall or any third-party antivirus. Once disabled, export again and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.